Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Players in the local real estate market say growth continues to be driven by increased productivity in a number of industries, including tourism. However, there continues to be a gap in the market for low to middle income earners. Javon Keys reports.
More visitors to Jamaica translates to the need for more attractions, more accommodation, leading to more developments in real estate.
Even before the pandemic, we had visitors coming to Jamaica saying, wow, I love Jamaica and I may want to, if I can afford it, I may want to have a piece of Jamaica. So that's one aspect of the demand. We have people who are serving the hospitality industry. As demand grows there, their businesses grow. They are building out facilities to serve that market.
Roger Williams is interim CEO of Spectrum Group, the owners of Remax Elite Realty. Speaking at the Remax Power Brokers coffee break this week, he says the booming short-stay accommodation sector will also support further real estate growth. The tourism ministry says more than 20% of visitors to the island use these non-traditional options.
Airbnb, Bookings.com are now seeing an opportunity to have investment property that serve those visitors as well. So tourism as a driver in has different multiplier effects on the real estate business.
Business process outsourcing has also been driving up demand.
That sector has grown between 2017 and now from 25,000 jobs, direct jobs, to over 60,000 jobs today. So to put that in real estate perspective, your typical outsourcing location or center or office will probably have an average of about 75 to 100 square feet per employee. That's kind of the ratio that it works on. So you're looking at, in that space of time, nearly 3 million square feet of office space have either been developed, retrofitted, or built.
Mr. Williams says despite the promising prospects for growth, affordability is an issue.
A lot of working Jamaicans really find it hard to find the property that they can afford, where they want to live, when they want to buy. And this is something that is not a new problem. It's a problem, or it's a challenge, I should say, that we've been grappling with for decades. Of course, there are institutions like the NHT and banks and other finance institutions that are helping to provide solutions to help to bridge that gap, but it remains a challenge.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $154.66. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.75. The pound is going for $196.14, while the euro is selling for an average $171.23. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 910 points today, while the junior market declined by 41 points. Among the 45 winners, G West Corporation, PBS 9.75% shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, KLE Group and Palace Amusement. The 40 losers were led by PBS 10.5% shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, T-Tech, Lasco Manufacturing, and Lasco Distributors. 21 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.